Thank you, Alumni Association, for allowing me to share a little bit about my journey. I graduated from CRC in 1995 with a degree in electronics engineering. 4 wonderful years. Thank you to the professors and staff for the dedication. I met some of my closest friends at CRC and my life partner, Narain. It was quite the difference from me coming from the hustle and bustle of Mumbai to a small college town, Corvallis, Oregon, to pursue my master's in computer science at Oregon State University. Besides preparing me for a successful and fulfilling career, the best thing that I learned in Corvallis was how to live with roommates. And while this may seem like a small thing, it helped me become more self-aware. Self-awareness and situational awareness are such critical skills as we navigate our work careers in order to have successful, productive, and enjoyable work relationships. Intel found me in 2000. I started as a programmer. I spent a number of years in IT and now in sales and marketing. Today, my role is to set the technology strategy for our sales and marketing organization. My focus specifically in that area has been creating digital experiences that help our employees, customers, and partners work more effectively and efficiently. I feel lucky that I found this field at the time I did because so much of what we do today, work and life, is digital, and digital experiences are such a differentiator for any company. Outside of work, family, and friends, I spend some of my time mentoring for a local organization called PDX, Women in Technology, PDX for Portland. I mentor for this organization whose mission is to create access and dismantle inequalities for the underrepresented in the tech sector. Some of these mentoring relationships are more formal, involving career coaching and preparedness to pursue a career in my field. And some others are a little bit more informal, ad hoc advice to navigate certain work situations or just networking to help some of the newer entrants into the workforce find more opportunities and help expand their network. I find this work really enjoyable and a great way to stay connected in the community. In terms of advice, find problems that interest you and that are worth solving and go after them. Take the time along the way to take care of yourself, your family, and friends, emotionally, physically, and mentally, and enjoy the journey. The journey is everything. Take care. Good luck professionally and personally, and thank you once again, Alumni Association, for allowing me to share my journey with you.